So now we'll start updating the sketches and adding in some of the laser elements. We'll go back to the front sketch, the original front sketch, double click on it. And I'm going to add in some joinery elements by typing R for a rectangle. I'll snap to the edge, drag out some rough rectangles here, and go ahead and have some in the center partition as well. Now the width of these rectangles, I want them to be, what dimension I'm using, D. I want them to be the thickness of the material, which is T. I can continue dimensioning these, or I can select the equal constraint and make each of these lines equal to the dimensioned line. And it kind of cleans up the drawing so you don't get as many dimensions all over the place. We'll hit escape to get out of the equal constraint. Actually, I'm thinking these two should be equal as well. And I'm thinking these two will be equal. And I'll start locating these where I think I want them to lie. I'm going to just give this a value of T times 2. And I can do the same here. And a lot of this just comes down to aesthetics. It's what you like. So you can put kind of any value you want in there. I'm going to give this a value of T times 3. See how that looks. And I'll come over here and do the same. I'm going to vary these ones a little bit. I'm going to give this a 2 times T. And I will locate this one. Also 2 times T. And I'll come down here. This one I'm going to give it a value of 4 times T. And I'm second guessing that. I'm going to go, I want it to be further, 5 times T. So these will end up being joinery tabs that will help us align our part. Now what I'll do is go ahead and select, I can drag a window around these elements, and if I hold down Shift, I can select multiple elements. I can come up here to our sketch tools, come down to mirror, and it asks for the mirror line, so I want to select center point. And now I've mirrored over those sketch elements. I'll go ahead and stop the sketch.